Welcome to TMD Motorhomes here in Withall. Today we'd like to present to you this 6-berth CI. It has rear bunk beds, an overcab bed, and the dinette converts into a double bed also. It's on a 3.5 tonne chassis, so it can be driven on any licence. Let's take a look inside. For any more information on this CI or any of the other motorhomes we have here at TMD, don't hesitate to give one of the sales team a call and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.